How good's this? Again, hit another track. Unbelievable. So out to a trip, head out to Kenilworth.
No, I love it.
Mate,
out there.
so different to Moreton. I mean, Moreton was fun.
Moreton was good.
It was awesome,
And
but this
wet.
And wet.
And not boiling hot.
And it was cold. And we went swimming in the cold. But this time we're not going swimming in the cold. We are going to go swimming in the hot. 36 degrees. They're talking 38 at Kenilworth.
Yeah.
It's going to be hot.
It's been a hot season. So.
Massive hills, dusty, so different. It's going to be testing all our cars. Got Glen. I mean, what an absolute legend. Look at his 79 series. That's insane. He was messaging me late saying he's doing all the work. And I'm thinking, oh, this is the first trip I've not had to be up till midnight putting stuff in my car.
It's always a terrible plan.
Someone had to do it.
Yeah. It's always.
Well, I reckon we head out to Kenilworth, straight to the bakery, smash out a donut.
Absolutely.
Maybe a whole kilo.
Well, he's going to have to do something. This is his first trip, so he has to do something different. It's either that or roll your car.
He doesn't know.
He doesn't know.
All right. Well, he'll find out on the track, though, I reckon.
Yeah.
It smells like a stitch up.
All right.
It's always
Let's do it.
Let's go. Hit it.
Isn't this the best part of going for a weekend away? After travelling the highway, getting to your destination and starting to air down, this is where things start to get exciting. We've just hit the fire trails, about to hit up some tracks through Imbil State Forest. Now we've chose to air down a little bit earlier. It's very dusty out and the roads are quite hard. Airing down on some of the fire trails, even though they're gazetted roads and you can drive them in a passenger vehicle, airing down now actually will make the ride to our tracks a lot easier. Than when we hit the tracks, we can just get out and start hitting them up straight away. The benefit of airing down is it's a smoother ride, bigger footprint in your tyre and a lot more traction. So can't wait to hit the tracks. We're out here with some good mates, some good vehicles, and we've picked out a couple of really cool hill climbs that I can't wait to get onto. So here we are. We're about to go and hit up some pretty cool tracks. Check out this view, right?
It's a big hill, man.
I tell you what. Now, the thing I love about Kenilworth is that we can actually come here and do it in some very basic four-wheel drives. Now, we've got three pretty nice vehicles in convoy.
One of them's not that decked out.
It's still a cruiser. It's still a cruiser. Yeah. So, you know, you can come along in a dual cab vehicle straight off the showroom floor. You just need to have some basic recovery gear. You know, it's tyre flater, you know, air on board if you can. There's plenty of servos around if you can't. Obviously, spring to get our compressor. You know, snatch strap, bow strap.
You don't need a lot. If you just come in a few of yous in convoy and you got a little bit of gear, you can be straight off the showroom floor with the right bit of gear, just a recovery point at the front and back. You can go anywhere out here almost.
Exactly. Now there's some beautiful tracks off to the side. Now you definitely wouldn't do those, but
we might.
We might do them today, we'll see. But you definitely can look at them and aspire to doing that. And that's what about building a car up is. Now, like I said, you can come out with the kids, the family, spend a whole day out here and just have so much fun.
The camping in the area is awesome too. There's plenty of camping, so you can camp out and spend the day, come back. It's pretty simple.
Hey Chris, what you got planned for me today, mate?
Mate, just a nice little roll through Imble, but I thought I'd take you to this little hill here, which has got a nice little kick up on it. It's a good start to a few of the challenging little hills that we'll get up to.
So this is one of the hardest challenges?
No, this is the easiest one.
Alright, we'll see what we can do. Should be alright, don't look too hard.
Nah, she's easy, just got to pick your line.
That's Glenn for a while, I don't know if he's going to be able to do that. He just kind of goes up blindfolded, don't you, bro? Yeah, just point the car and shoot.
Oh mate, you love it. That's a nice little easy hill.
So we're just going to keep on driving on for a bit, are we? What's the next thing you got planned? Something a bit easier or harder?
Nah mate, we've got some nice little tight tracks. I mean, you can't come to Imble and drive around without getting a couple of pinstripes to your car, so I want to add some jewellery to your vehicle. Then yeah, I know of a couple of nice little hills, mate.
Bit of jewellery, eh? Hey Glenn, you don't mind a bit of jewellery? Mate, I must be rich if you have a look at my car.
It's happening.
Let's do it.
So what I thought we'll do is we'll just duck through here. It's quite a nice little forestry area, and it'll pop us out at one section, and there's a nice little hill climb. And I think it's probably not a bad way to finish the afternoon. We might top off a cold beer at the top once we get every vehicle up there.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, we'll see what we get when we get there. What sort of hill? Is it harder than the last one? Is it lots of bumps? Is it more shallow? What am I looking for?
Mate, it's probably, there's a few more bumps in it. There's a couple of little off camber, like sort of ruts, but it's a bigger hill. It just goes for a lot longer.
Come on. Oh, all right. What do you think? He almost come fair off that track.
He did.
He shot
a lot more sideways than forwardways.
Just seen him shoot across. I thought he was off that ledge. Oh, seriously?
He recovered well.
He recovered well. But again, I'm a bit nervous. Oh, I'm just going to send it.
This way.
See what we got.
Let's do this.
Oh, I don't want to do this.
So this is one of those moments where a convoy comes together, and the reason why you should never be tackling challenging terrains without other people in the convoy with you. So what's happened is Barney's come up and he's got open diff, he's got no locker, so he's used momentum. He's actually hit one of the banks on this hill climb and popped a bead, so he's lost all his air, the bead is out. Now, it's unsafe for me to bring my car back down, so I've brought it back as close as I possibly can. We've got Glenn running up the hill with some extra airline. We're going to run a really long airline to my car, to the front tire of this cruiser of Barney's, reseat the bead so we can safely let him go back down. Now, if we just reversed him with the bead popped and no pressure in that front tyre, that is one of the most dangerous situations to be in. He could easily just start to turn, twist, and there's nothing around here. This is an open hill. The last thing we want is him to actually turn and twist and have that front slide away. So we need to put air in there, we need to get that extra grip and safely get him down this hill.
So is that bead just popped? So bead's popped, so if we just plug a bit more air in, we'll be rolling. So, all right, looks like I'm out of here once I get to 11.2 PSI. Keep working, boys. All right, they're gonna do the work. I'm just gonna sit in the aircon. All right, let's go in this car. Now, I'm pretty sure Chris said whoever gets the top gets to have a beer. He didn't say how, did he, bro? He definitely didn't say how or whatever. So whatever means necessary, I'm not missing out on one of his beers. You just want to show me how to drive them? Have a go. Watch out for that rut that I got stuck in. Duggo, like a tractor. It's a doozy, right? Oh, yes. Here we go. So with lockers, you don't even need that much momentum in hold it, eh? There we go, now you need a little. Stay left, that's it. Missed that rut, you got it. Beautiful. Come on. Yeah, I can taste the beer, get me to the beer. Straight juice fridge, I can see it. Keep going, let's stop. Oh. Dude, when you, that slip and bite and slip, I was like, ooh, that is rutted.
Tasty.
Yeah, no, it was good. Awesome drive, man. Thanks for the lift. Where is Chris? I'm pretty sure he'll be down there. Oh, 1 second. Oh. You get one?
Yes, sir.
Oh, all right, so one of the hottest, longest hill climbs. Thank you. Seriously. Look at my little fella all the way down there.
It's in training.
Yeah. So we'll do a bit more of a build. Have a coldie because we just freaking deserve it after you deserve it. You run up that hill and I've been reversing and driving. Here comes Chris. He's got a fair way to walk. have a bit of a victory beer, head to the directional camp, and oh, look, that's Kenilworth. It's one of the greatest spots to go wheeling. Here he comes, Chris. Thank you for your beer. So Chris has kindly lent me a beer. So you didn't tell me how to get up here. You just said go for it, buddy. Go, go, go.
I said drive.
We drove up in a cruiser, which is what I was, you know, the rule was drive up.
And that makes sense.
Actually hot, bro. You guys are panting. It's really easy when you're in the car, right? I'm telling you.
Well, I found it way easier to drive.
The amount of times I've been stuck on a hill and someone else is winching for me is fantastic. I quite enjoy it. So, all right, let's head towards camp. Let's see what else is on the way, and I'm gonna have that victory beer. That is 100% what I'm gonna be chugging down.
So Barney, camp last night, I gave you a hard time. I told you about this hill you just couldn't get, you popped a bead. We woke up this morning, you had half the rocks in your bead still.
You're
we cleaned it all
like
up.
I didn't have a go. I had a go.
You had a good go. So what I want to do, I thought to myself, we got these recovery boards, so I'm going to get up there with the treads, I'm going to anchor them down into those holes because that was your biggest problem.
It's just like I had traction on the left, I had nothing on the right. Those ruts are just ridiculous. I just want, if you can lay them out,
Yeah.
I won't have to go full berserker, and I reckon I'll make it.
Exactly. Now, if you had lockers, would not be a problem. The problem is open disc on a 79 series cruiser.
It's terrible.
It's not so good, and they haven't got that traction control to brake onto the spinning wheel. So,
Well, if you're going to throw your treads up, you're going to head up now,
I'll head up now. I'll anchor them down.
and then you call me up and I'll come and get them.
Yeah.
We'll
get it done.
We'll get it done this
We'll
time.
get you up there. You've got to get this hill, mate.
What do you reckon, Barney? Is that enough for you? Oh, the beers are down there.